guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here with a fall FabFitFun Box. I have been waiting for this box forever. I feel like I'm the last one to get it every season. But anyways, let me give you a little bit of information about this box real quick because I am desperate to get into it. So, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, which means you get one for summer, for fall, for winter, and for spring. If you choose to pay each season, it's about $50 a month. I think it's like $49.99 or something like that. However, if you want to pay for the entire year up front, then it is just under $190. So you do save a little bit of money if you choose to pay for the year up front. Also, if you choose to pay for the year up front, you get to customize or pick all of the items in your box. Whereas if you go for the seasonal plan, you only get to customize, I think it's 3 of the products in your box, and then they choose the rest. I do pay for the seasonal plan. I haven't been able to bring myself to commit to paying for the entire year up front. I'm getting there, just not quite ready yet, so we'll see. I don't know. For some reason, paying $50 every 3 months feels a lot more feasible to me than $200 or $190. So I don't know. It's a mental block, but I'm sure I will get there eventually. I will link their website down below so you guys can stop by and get any other details that you would like. And I'm also going to post a link down below so that you guys can get $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. Okay, so this box for some reason is humongous. This is the outside box that it came in. I did already open it. And then on the inside, oh, I know why it's so big. Another thing you can do with FabFitFun is purchase add-ons. And I purchased, I don't even remember. Let's go through the box and see. I know that I got 2 mystery bundles, and those are part of their new refill program. So as long as I continue to get the seasonal box, they'll give me 2 of the refill mystery bundles. And then I don't know if I signed up for the rest of the stuff on refills or not. I'll have to check. But anywho, let's go ahead and start pulling stuff out. Oh, for pity's sake. Look at this. Y'all, I got 2 mystery bundles. They sent me 2 of the same darn things. Well, good for you guys then, because this is going to go in my 800 subscriber giveaway. Which, by the way, guys, if you are not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. This is going to be included in the giveaway. There's going to be tons of other stuff too, so that kind of disappoints me. I feel like if I order 2 mystery bundles, I should get 2 different bundles, not 2 of the same ones. FabFitFun, that's rotten. Oh well. If it happens again, I guess I'll just purchase mystery bundles throughout the year instead of with the boxes. Look at me throwing a fit. It's alright. I'm glad I have a chance to share something with you guys. I will post the prices for everything down below or at the bottom of the screen. I think for these mystery bundles, I paid $14.99. The first thing that we have is by Kors, and it is a lavender body butter. It is a big bottle too. It is 235 milliliters or just under 8 ounces. And it does have a seal, so I am not going to open this quite yet because I have a lot of lotion that I'm using up, but you can't go wrong with lavender. Next, I've got a Dermalect Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer. That is what that looks like. Let's see. Chamomile, Azulene, and Collagen. Interesting. And then last but not least for the mystery bundle, I've got Wing Woman. I'm not trying to be stingy, but man, I sound like a brat, don't I? This is what the packaging looks like on that. I'm assuming it's to do a wing on the side of your eye. But here's what the bottle looks like. It almost looks like it might be like a gel or something. Oh, no, it's not. There we go. So it's got a very, very, very fine point tip. Maybe I will try it out. Who knows? Next, this must have been an add-on too. This is a Zago Italian Skincare Dolce Almond Brightening Body Scrub. Yes, I remember getting this. I don't know if I signed up for a refill on this one, so I'll get it every season, or if it was just a one-time thing. Here is the canister. It does have the plastic on the top. Ooh, can you guys see that? Look at that. Oh, yum. It smells so stinking good, and it's, ooh, very nice. Very nice texture. I love body scrubs. Love, love, love them. And then this must have been a refill because I know I got this last time. These are sponge gels, and I still have some left, so I'm gonna have to think about these. They might end up in the giveaway too, just because I don't need a ton of them. But I don't know if these are scents I already have, but what they are sponges that already have soap in them. So all you have to do is add water, and it's kind of like an exfoliating sponge type thing. Let me pull one out. Here's what it looks like. There's that, and then it has a hole through the top of it that you can tie this string through so you can hang it up to dry. I love these. Sure do. The scents for this one are Eucalyptus Rain, Honey Blossom, and Papaya Yuzu. So there's 3 of them. And that is it for my add-ons. Now let's get into the box. Here's what the box looks like. Got some beautiful fall leaves on it. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. And then when you open it, it's got lots of paper packaging and then a magazine and coupons on top. This is what the FabFitFun catalog looks like. They used to have prices in here, but now they don't. And from what I've seen from other people unboxing theirs, it's limited description. So I'm really not gonna mess with this one. It's got a couple articles, feast on fall flavors, and then your pumpkin themed bucket list. So I might check that out, we'll see. And now on to our items. I honestly have no clue what I chose and what they chose for me, so we're just gonna be surprised all the way around. So first thing that we got are eco-friendly comb sets by Zoe Ayla. I'm probably saying that wrong. It contains 2 combs. It says these combs are environmentally friendly and perfect for all types of hair from curly to straight. The set includes both a large tooth comb and a small tooth comb with soft rounded teeth, making it easy to detangle hair and preventing breakage. So here's the first one. And then here is the second one. I actually really like that color. They're very soft plastic, very nice. Next, we got something here that's in a bag. Go ahead and open it. Ow, I poked myself. Gee. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. This is a freebie. A lot of people didn't get this. I wonder why I got it, but other people didn't. FabFitFun is just a mystery nowadays. What this is, my friends, is a Heineken 0.0. It is an alcohol-free beer. I don't know why they have this. Look how cute the can is, though. Isn't that cute? Next, we've got Our House, Your Home. I think that means our house. Sounds like it should, doesn't it? And this is a Moroccan spice candle. This is one of the things that I picked out. I remember this one. Ooh, I can smell it from all the way up here. It smells awesome. Look at that container, guys. Is that not pretty? And it's just a single wick candle on top. It smells kind of like snickerdoodle cookies. That smells really good. Can't wait to get to burning that one. Next is something else that I remember picking out. And I've already checked with my boss and she said I can wear this to the office tomorrow. Here we have a buffalo check hat. How cute is that? I wasn't sure what kind of material it was going to be, but it's a nice thin material. It's got the little buttonholes there. And this is by Hocus Pocus, I think is what it says. But yeah, look at that. It's going to be so cute on me, isn't it? Ta-da! Then we've got some Restore Lip Balm. I'm not going to open this. I have a lot of lip balm that I'm using up. Then we've got some Professional Pore Primer. Ooh, I like this kind of stuff. I'm still figuring out primers because they're new to me, but definitely realizing that I need some pore primer. So here's what that looks like. Look how retro that is. I love it. The Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. Very excited to have that. I do have some primer that I'm using up, so I'm not going to open it quite yet. It's got a safety seal on it. I'm very excited to have this. I was hoping I would get it. This is the Perlice Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I love Perlice. In one of my subscription boxes, I think it was Glossy Box, I got a Perlice face mask, and it was fantastic. It was one of their sheet masks, and it smelled so good, and my skin felt so good afterwards. I am thrilled to be able to give this a try. And it has a safety seal on it. So, Chaos Jen, just have to be patient to see how yummy it smells. And then I think this is something that I picked up too, but I can't say for sure. I needed a new eyelash curler, so that's what I got. And this is by Babe Lash Pro Lash Lifter. And it has replacement little rubber pieces there to go on the edge right here. So there's definitely in need of a new one. And I don't know anything about eyelash curlers, so I don't know what good quality is or not, but I feel like if it came in a FabFitFun box, it's going to be good quality. So I'll be able to compare this to my old one, and I'll know what I like and don't like. And then last but not least, I have a waffle blanket. That's right. Again, it's by Our House. It is a waffle blanket. It says Our House, Your Home. Look at that texture, guys. Isn't that nice? I cannot wait to get this out and cuddle up on my couch with it. This is a 50-inch by 60-inch blanket. It is a fairly thin material. I feel like it's going to be just the right weight to snuggle up on the couch and read a good book or watch a movie. So, very nice. Okay, guys, that is everything that I got in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, all kinds of good stuff that are going to be in this 800 subscriber giveaway, guys. So if you're not a member of my YouTube family and you enjoy chaos unboxings, weight loss content like grocery hauls, cook with me's, what I eat in a day, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. We are this close to 800 subscribers. As soon as we hit that number, y'all are in for a really fun giveaway. Or if you have any family or friends who might enjoy my content, please feel free to share my channel. All right, I'm getting ready to let you go here. Real quick again, if you do the thumbs up thing, I would greatly appreciate it. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, or just say hello. Any type of interaction helps my channel, and I love chit-chatting with you guys. Until next time, guys, keep smiling.